Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's an Amazon product. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's their website, I'll leave their website down below. And all links are safe to click. Don't worry about nothing. If you like this item, just add it to your cart now and check out. And hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. What is this? Cut right there. And we have here. Ooh. We have here a Sofirn quality. There we go. Oh, flashlight. This would be good for anyone that goes camping during the summertime. Take it to summer camp, hunting season when it comes around, or just daily use. Sofirn IF24. Here's the specs. Alright, let's take a look at this. So I think it's Amazon. Like I said, I'll leave both links down below. You guys can check it out. How do I open this? One of those folding types. There we go. We got a lanyard. You can just hook it up to anything on you or on your school bag. Ooh. Got some charging cables. Something else. And now we can shut it. Close it back up. There we go. Add some garbage. And now here's the goodies. USB cable. And if I can get it out. Come on. There we go. We got the USB right here. And that's for to charge it up later when it gets low. Okay, oops, sorry about that. There we go. That's pretty good size. Right there. And now, manual right here. And we got some instructions. Very simple though. There. Single click is on and off. Press and hold, rampant. Long press from off. Moonlight mode. Main light. You got turbo, strobe, SOS, beacon, and return. Single click. You get side light, lockout mode, color mode. Oh boy, RGB, waterfall, police, flash, rainbow, droplets, neon fade. Bang. So high powered. We have here Type C charging, waterproof resistance, IP56. Alright. Take a look at this. Alright, about now, let's fold this manual back up. There we go. This is super light. Nice design. I have to get the battery going. Probably like a little, yep, right there. There's a little thing that you have to remove. It's like a little orange sticker type thing that's connected to this. And now, there we go. In this mode, you just do super bright. Look at that. And then if you click, it's like SOS mode. There's blue. Turquoise. Switch it again. There we go. Like SOS mode. But yeah, super bright. So definitely check these guys out. Sofirn. And you guys won't be disappointed. Alright, YouTube, be safe. Have a good night. Here's the USB. Get that off there. There we go. That's where you want to charge it. See, it's on. Turn the knob. Whoa. I think that's right. That's pretty cool. Like I said, you can have it hanging. Use this lanyard. Or clip it. Yeah, this would be perfect for like camping. And then switch. Red light mode. That mode. So now it's super bright. This is really cool. That must be moonlight mode. Kind of like a bug zapper. Huh. Very soft click. And there's flashlight. But yeah, definitely a nice flashlight. Really impressed. Wow, that's bright. Let's see. Click. There you go. And softly turn. Even that's pretty bright though. So if you're looking for a new flashlight, this would be a good one to get. Sofirn. And all you guys gotta do is click the link down below and check them out. And like I said, if they're at Amazon, I'll leave the affiliate link. And if it's a website, I'll leave theirs, or both. Either or, check them out. Compare the sales going on right now, and orders yours now. Sofirn, all right, and have a good night.